Hi friends, here Rajnikant. Today I came with the two topics, two types of VLOOKUP. Example first one is type lookup and second one is lookup with different tables. Okay, here is this one. Here is the lookup value, here is the product. Yeah. See, this is a product. All these are products. Okay, all these are products. You have to check it with the units sold about the to find out commission rate. How much commission it should be. Okay, I'll delete this one. Okay. Now, first of all, what you have to do is you just select the data. I already did over here. For that reason, I'm showing you. Just name this one. Name only this one. Wherever I place the cursor, you have to name that name only, not other name. See, I already did ABC. See. Again, select the data from here and name this one only, EDR. EDR. Again, select the data from here and do like this. I already named see all three things are there. ABC, EDR, EDR. So now I like to tell you, before I start this, the main topic, the formal topic, I request everyone to like, share and subscribe my channel so that after subscription you click on bell icon so that you will get a notification when I upload a new video. And more videos are ahead with lots of tricks and hidden features. I'm using 2016, so it may not work here. Date, time, date and time. It's a dynamic one and type. I think so it not work. Control semicolon, control colon. Then if you see the Excel tomorrow, it will show 8th January 2020. Understood? Now, control shift semicolon. Current time, current date, current time. Here both will come, both will display. Yes. Time. Now is the function where you display time and date. It's a dynamic. Whenever you open the file, I mean to say day by day, any day, you show that it is useful for invoice. Invoice in top right corner side, you can type this one. Whenever aging process is there, I'll tell you, I'm going to start the aging process. All those things as early as possible I start because I'm getting busy for that reason. I'm very much so for that reason okay data for this. So for that reason I'm unable to start earlier. Okay. Visa. I write here CTRL. Control. Next. Control plus shift plus 15. Oh. I guess. Okay. Plus 15. Yes. And here now formula. Now I'll make it as a text because if I type enter it will show the display, answer. Okay, now I'll select between this. All borders. Now coming to this formula, we look up, we made this one, comma. Okay, already we named, so we check that name directly. So let's see, and we need second column and we need approximate values. For that reason we have to use 1. It will show any. Why? Because it will show any. Why? Because Excel will understand it's a text. So Excel won't understand it is a table or a range or somewhat else. You have to convert into, you have to wrap that value, the cell value in indirect. Then it will understand. Before it was a value. See. After I wrapped the value in indirect, then it converted to a range. Understood? Control G. Enter. This is the first example. More examples ahead, I will tell you what it is. Let us remove all this thing. Okay. Now, yesterday I have asked you regarding this, but it is a column. Now I converted into a row. You have to convert into a row and display. Whenever you type a name over here, with one formula you have to do it. You are not supposed to use n number of formulas. You have to use only one type of formula. For that reason is equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value this much, max open the bracket, no is equal to VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value is this much, sorry, you have to lock it, F4, comma, lock from all sides, comma, match will show you only the location, the position where it is. So I am locking the row, not the column. Okay, comma, F4, comma, 0. It is a match, comma, yeah, no, exact match. Okay. If you type YZ, all table is changed automatically. If you type NO, okay, for this one what I will do data validation. So that you need not to type every time. So take the list, data validation from here. Okay. Just take the name. Okay. Now coming to another method. This is two methods I am showing to how to do VLOOKUP. Okay, this is another method. VLOOKUP. This one, lock from all directions. Select the data. Right, select the data. F4 lock. Here columns. $30. You have to choose column, not the row. Okay. $I30. To give you first position. I mean to say that if you press F9, you see this one. You want from second unit. Max is in second position, so you need second. So you plus 1, comma, 0 exact match. Just value. So this is the second method. Actually I have asked the query exactly like this, but no one has answered this query. I don't know why they did not answer. I think they won't understand or what, I don't know. Control C, Control Z, now make it as a 3. Okay, third example. Now we will take like this, ABC underscore 30, DGF underscore 55, SGHI underscore 32, MNO underscore 43. Now, how to do VLOOKUP if you have data like this? Take this one only, take this one. You need these all are, I'll keep here, I'll tell you, names underscore ages. These are all ages. Okay. Nice. It's better look. Yeah, it's very good because it is this much product for the figure it's captured. A little bit, more little bit, still will right. Right. Now, extract only total, we'll make it here total, okay. Make it here total, wait a minute, we'll move aside. I'm using only mouse because it's recording. If I use any keys, it will get some, will get mess up with recording options. For that reason, I'm using only this thing. So I'm using here total. Alt equal. Correct, enter. Double click. Okay, double click is not working. So select like this and boom, it's working. Now I need ABC total, and whatever the names over here, I need those names put according to that total. Now how you will do this one? You know ABC is there, but you doesn't know. You have to extract only, first of all you have to extract only ABC from that. Okay. So what you will do, LUST left, open the bracket, this comma, how many characters? 3 characters. You need only 3 characters. It is not 4 characters. I will tell you the next step is 4. Okay, it's ABC now. Control G. Drag this into VLOOKUP. This value, comma, we need total, right? Take this whole thing, comma 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 7. Block from all sides, comma 7, comma 0. If the data will come like this. Why it is saying anyway? Everything is correct. Why it is saying anyway? Think. If everything is correct, why it is saying anyway? Let's see. Okay, 4 letters are there. Okay, there is no 4 letters, so that it is saying anyway. Okay, so F2, now it is 0 code, right? Okay, this is the third example for VLOOKUP. All XVA for all borders. Then control V bold. And we have total TOTL total control V. Sorry, control V, control V. So just repeat it in the like this. Second language, which is second language. Okay. Now can we able to do dynamic means whenever we add a new formula over here in this lane or in this lane somewhere else, it should show here also. That should show, right? Yes. Yeah, this is the things in VLOOKUP. Now I'll show you the dynamic way. Okay, first of all we'll check the range all those things up to this till F36 gate, F27 to F36, right? Okay. We'll convert this into a table. Control P. Okay, because we look up over here, so that unit is taking this one also. We'll move little bit up. Subjects also will move little bit up. We don't need subjects, we only the data. Okay. Now control C. Make sure that around the data no value should be attached to this table around this data. Okay. Else it will mess up all the things. Control C. Table as well as yes. Okay. Now converted this into a table. Because here it is empty, for that reason we will not making it. So I will move it little bit there. I will move this value over there. Okay. Now I will show you some hidden features. We will be shocked after saying that this thing will also happen in Excel. So first of all, we will move this one also. It's reference error because we took this one now. So for that we will say reference error. Laptop, okay, we'll make it this. So see here, why it is saying reference error, I'll explain you. Let's say first of all 7th value, because we have moved total value from here. So if I go 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that should come, right? Must be data from B28 to G36. Yes, exactly. If you just look up value why it is showing error F9 ABC is the right. Control G and table array F9. Yes, it is showing right. So where is that wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said 6. It has to come. You don't know why it is not coming. Yeah, everything will be 0. Let's see. Okay, I'm doing this to you. The answer why it is showing anyway. In the below comment box you have to tell me why it is showing anyway. I understood why it is showing anyway. I won't say now. Now you have to answer this query. Now see, this is the table, right? Okay, make it tab. I'll show you one hidden feature. It says very few persons will know about this. See here what is happening. Already taken the value. I press enter. I should not press enter. I should put 51, 32, 33. It has to show the total. I don't know why it's not showing a total plastic total. Plastic, okay. Control G, it is. It's only 360. No, it's not 360. So it is some up to enter. Why it is not taking enter, not understanding. I should take up to, not up to. Okay, we'll remove this one. First of all, remove this one. Okay. Alt equal. Right. Now it's a dynamic line. I used only here, but it's still here. I'll show you again. Delete. I'll delete everything here. This is the dynamic here. Next one also I'll show you. Alt equal. Checking the range. I did not select anywhere here. Just press enter. That's it. Now, this is another feature. Another hidden feature. Alt equal to enter. Now, here you can see average. See, minimum. What is the minimum among this 38? GH is the minimum. Maximum. All the options will be here. You can go to more functions also. Count. Okay, cancel. More functions, you have to count how many objects from there to there. Most functions you can create a hyperlink. It is a logical function also there here. Then see, PMT is here you can see. Standard deviation, sum is everything you can use here. Count, sum, everything. You look count here. How many are attended? How many are appeared for the exam? And we do none means zero, we say nothing we say. Actually that we say zero sum. 2010 and earlier it will show you zero. It's a 2016 for that period it is understanding that we are doing sum for that reason it has taken total sum. 2010 and previous versions it will show you zero only. If you want you can try in your Excel. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.